Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to perform different types of diagnostics to check if everything is working fine in Samsung. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first let's just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now we'll see your device care, just click on it. Now just scroll down below again. Now you can see at the bottom diagnostics, just click on it. Now here you will see different types of diagnostics options like phone diagnostics, app battery usage diagnostics, and app safety diagnostics. So you can click one by one. So let us click on the last one firstly. So there is no any issue related to this diagnostics. Let us click on the second option. So similarly in the second case also I don't have any issue here, and let us check this phone diagnostics. So now you will see here tons of options. So I've already performed before. So let us test it again just to give you an example how it performs. Test it all. Click on restart testing. So it will check the battery status. So you can see it's automatically checking. So have patience until the complete process is done. So you can click on start or you can skip some testings. So you can see I have performed almost everything just except one earphone testing which I have not connected right now. So everything is working fine since I have skipped one testing. So by using this inbuilt diagnostics, you can easily perform different types of diagnostics to check if everything is working fine in Samsung very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.